These are the locomotives from 583. Even though the switch is right here for the siding that those cars are on, the locomotives had to go way up there. There is a control signal light way up there. They had to go way up there and wait for the signal. I saw the switch automatically go, but didn't have the camera turned on and aimed at at the engineer and he gave me a little wave back. So this is the London to Paris, Ontario, of course, local train, and earlier while I was up the way, they came and took this row of cars to the siding. And then they had to let two trains go by, 424 eastbound and 123 westbound. And now they're hooking up to this, and there is a light up there, and they'll be on their way. CN 583, the London to Paris, Ontario local. They were on the siding here on the south side. They're doing the crossover to the, north side. And they're doing the crossover to the North Main. Said something about being a half an hour at Woodstock. I imagine that's these tankers. There is a customer they have on the north side in Woodstock that takes a lot of tankers. The switch here, that structure right there is a heater, and it's got heat ducts that keep the switch warm, so in the winter when there's snow and ice, it can still work. And we'll see if it goes back right away.